Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here with another um, card making tutorial for you using Stampin' Up products. You get the hat again. One of these days, I will fix my hair and look nice for y'all. But I'm in my workout clothes, and that's the way it is. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Wendy, and I am a retired art educator. But I always say once an art teacher, always an art teacher. I'm here to help you and sometimes your kids get creative, get crafty, and bring out your inner artist. So today's card, crazy simple, but impressive. And I think you're going to like it a lot. Um, and I made a little joke in the description about something about take off your mask, or it's mask season, which it is October. So yeah, Halloween's coming up. I have no clue what we're going to be. We're going to a party and not a clue. So if you have any good ideas, drop them in the comments. But anyway, I digress. But this really has nothing to do with a mask on your face. Okay, we're using a technique called masking. So let's get started. Okay. And that light is a little bright. I think we'll be okay, but if not, I'll change it. Okay, so super simple card. Here it is. How pretty is that? Okay, kind of, I used fall. You know what? I forgot to get my ink, so let me go grab them real quick. I used fall colors. I used kind of a fall stamp set. And I used our masking paper. So I'm going to grab my ink real fast and also turn this light down. So give me 1 sec. Okay. And we're back. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, so as you can see, how pretty is that? Celebrate you. It could be a birthday card, whatever you want it to be. Okay, so first you start out with a card base. You're not going to need that right away. And I'm using a same size piece of basic white because I'd rather do my work on here than do it on here. And if it happens to mess up, I'm out this whole piece of paper. If I mess up at all on this single piece, I can just flip it over and do the other side. So this is going to be a card front that we're going to put onto here. So our dimensions for our card base are 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and 5.5 wide. Okay, but we're going to set that away. And our single piece of basic white is 4 1/4 by 5.5. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take 2 pieces of our Stampin' Up masking paper. This is our masking paper. It comes like in these packets like this. There are 12 sheets, plenty to do a lot of cards. Okay, and I cut 2 pieces of our masking paper like so. Okay, about 1.5 inches maybe, 2 inches, not quite 2. All right, and basically what they are is a sticker. Okay, you peel it off and it's a sticker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to tear a kind of a raw edge. Just have fun tearing it. Don't make it too perfect. Okay, there's one. I'm going to tear my other one. Oops. Okay. I don't like that straight line that happened right there, so I've got it. There we go. Okay, put my trash away. All right, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to lay this on our piece of basic white, but it's pretty sticky, and you don't want it to tear when you're peeling it back off, because this is our masking paper. You're only putting it on for a short time, and then you're taking it off. So I've taken off the backing, and it's sticky now, but I want to make it unsticky. for a little bit. So the best way to do that, and I'm going to move the camera and show you. Best way to do that is to put it on your, not your skin, I just did my skin, but put it on your clothes. Especially if you're wearing something cotton. Actually, the best thing, and this kind of makes it unstickier, if that makes sense. The best thing I have in my craft room is my computer chair is cloth covered, and it gets linty and all that stuff. And it is the best. So normally I do this on my computer chair. Okay, so I'm just, you know. Okay, if you've got jeans on, jeans work great. I'm going to flip this back down. Okay, so there, I made it not quite so sticky. I'm going to do it on my bike shorts here. Okay, so it is not quite so sticky, right? And I'm going to lay it down anywhere right about here. Looks good. Okay. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. Now I'm going to do my other piece. Okay, I'm going to unsticky it. I hope y'all are having a really good day, a nice Wednesday, hump day. It's kind of gloomy out here today, but oops, and I ripped it, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. I'm still putting it all over my body. Oh, goodness. The things we do. Okay, now I kind of ripped it. You see that? That's okay. It really won't affect anything. Okay, so I'm going to stick that one down and we'll make sure that that part is, yeah. I'm actually going to move this one up a little. I want it a little bit higher. Okay, so I'm just making a section in the middle that is not masked. Do you see that? Now it's okay if your masking paper doesn't cover all the way to the edges because you're not going to be blending down there. You're not going to be putting color. You're only going to be putting color in the center area. Okay, so we have our masking paper down. Now I grabbed some fall colors because I want to do a fall card. Crushed curry, pumpkin pie, and soft suede. Okay, I'm going to start with the lighter at the top. And let me grab my blending brushes. I'm going to start with this one. And remember, when you blend with the brushes, always tap it up, rub it off onto your scrap paper first. And I'm going to start at the top. And I'm going right onto the masking paper, which is okay because you're going to take that off. Okay. Okay, and go as dark as you want or as light as you want or whatever floats your boat. Okay. All right. I'm going to switch to the pumpkin pie and get a clean blending brush. And we go in the middle with the pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie sounds really good right now. I can't wait till Thanksgiving. As much as I love summer, I am a summer girl all the way. Love the beach, love to get all tan. I know tanning is bad for you, but yeah, okay. There are some things I like about fall. Eating is one thing. The yummy, yummy food, especially at Thanksgiving. Okay, and now I'm going to do our soft suede. It's kind of looking like a candy corn, isn't it? I do love candy corn. Do you like candy corn? You either love candy corn or you hate candy corn. Are you a candy corn lover or a candy corn hater? Haters gonna hate. I love the stuff. Far too much. Okay. All right. I think I'm liking that pretty well. Oops, get down there. Okay. So I have blended in between the torn parts of the masking paper. Now, I'm going to keep my soft suede out, and I'm going to get my stamp set ready. The stamp set I'm using is Celebrate Sunflowers. This one's been around for a while. It's in our, it's still in the annual catalog. I love this set. I have used it like crazy. That's why it's all dark and everything, because I have used it a lot. But we're going to use the smaller sunflower, and we're going to use one of the leaves, and we're going to use the Let's Celebrate You. You could do Thanks a Bunch, of course, but I'm going to take my soft suede. Now I still have the masking paper on here. And I'm going to stamp this sunflower anywhere I want. Turning it all different directions. It can touch. It does not matter. Even just little bits. There. Okay. I'm going to wipe it off. So far we have this. Okay. Now I'm going to take the leaf and just put a few little leaves here and there. Yeah, that's good enough. All right. And now, oops. Oh, I can't get my Stampin' Scrub or my Simply Chamois open. I keep it in this little silver box to keep it moist. I think that works, moist. Anyway, okay. Now, here's the fun part. Okay. See all the stamping? Now I'm carefully going to tear this off. And this one. I'm going nice and slow. I don't want to tear my whisper white, or excuse me, my basic white under there. Just take your time. Oops, I got a little bit of something right there. Oh well. Oh, I got it there too. Oh well. But you see how pretty that is? Can you see that? So cool. Okay, and so we're just going to ignore that for right now. Now I'm going to take my soft suede again and probably have it on my fingers. That's probably what happened. And Let's Celebrate You. And that's going to go at the bottom. And if you want, I just have some old, I've been trying to use up some old embellishments. These are some gold, little gold dots. I'm just going to throw a couple of them on here. Random places. You could use whatever floats your boat for an embellishment. Oops, get over there. Flip over a little. There. Okay. How stinking cute is that? You could use any colors. You could do so many. You could do different flower sets. You could do anything in here. Butterflies. You could do. The possibilities are endless. What a fun card. I should have put more orange in this one. Oh well. I like it. And of course, then you would attach it to your card base. Excuse me. And you're done. Super easy. So I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, we used Celebrate Sunflowers from the annual catalog. This is also in the annual catalog, the masking paper. Don't forget to make it a little bit unsticky by putting it on cloth. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you liked it. Holler if you have any questions, and see you later. Bye.